Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be looking at human resource management processes, focusing on maintenance. So let's look at maintenance here. Now, maintenance focuses on the processes needed to retain staff and manage their well-being at work. Staff well-being is maximized through encouraging staff to participate in decision-making, giving employees some control over their work lives as well. Now, effective workplace relationships depend heavily on a business's communications systems. Okay, poor communication is often reflected in workplace conflict, and then following on from that, high turnover rates. The worse the communication is, the more conflict there is, the more staff are likely to leave. Businesses benefit from employee experience and knowledge on the job, and improvements they suggest are often critical to a business's competitiveness and success. Listen to your workers. Benefits are an integral element in building workplace culture. They can be monetary in value or non-monetary. Okay, so they're the wages that they get paid, or it could also be the company car, the company credit card, the mobile phone, the free or subsidized childcare, the cheap mortgage, whatever it may be. Employers are responding more to employees' desire for a work-life balance with more flexible working arrangements now as well. And in maintenance as well, an important role of the HR manager is ensuring that the policies comply with legislation including anti-discrimination, sex discrimination legislation, WHS, OHS, occupational health and safety, taxation, social justice, industrial relations legislation, and agreements. So in order to maintain your staff, retain them, you need to ensure that you're also following all the legislative frameworks that you need to follow as well. So I hope this very brief video on maintenance has been useful. The next video will look at separation. Thank you.